Good morning, students. Today we will start the seventh chapter of your literature, Gulliver Captures Enemy's Ship. This is an extract of the whole story, that is Gulliver's Travels, written by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift was an Anglo-Irish satirist, essayist, poet. He wrote this book in four parts. Gulliver was the captain of several ships. Now, from the chapter, Lemuel Gulliver was a surgeon and adventurer who visited several remote means far, places of the world. During his first voyage, he was shipwrecked and reached to an island where he was imprisoned by the people of that place who were less than 6 inches in height, and there he saved these Lilliputians by the attack of their neighbor Blefuscudians. The Blefuscu is an island in the northeast side of Lilliput, which is separated from it by a channel. Channel means a narrow river. Uh, Gulliver talked to the king of Lilliput about his plan of seizing the enemy's entire fleet. He consulted the best sailors so that he get the idea of the depth of the channel. He went towards northeast coast and had a look at enemy's fleet. He ordered for the strongest cable and bars of iron. Then he just to give the cable a triple fold so that it becomes so strong, and make the bar in twisted the bars of iron to make hook. Then he put off his shoes and stockings and walked into the sea. He went about 30 yards and reached at enemy's fleet in half an hour. When the enemy saw him, they afraid. He fastened the hook to the hole at the pointed front part of the ship. When he was working, he received 200 shots of arrows on his face and hands. The enemy hadn't idea what he was doing, so they were surprised. They thought that Gulliver only wanted their ships to adrift, but when they saw that he was pulling the fleet, they started shouting with grief and despair. When Gulliver pulled the fleet at some distance, he stopped and picked out his all arrows and wore his spectacles. When the emperor and people of Lilliput saw the fleet of their enemy, they were in pain because they thought that the fleet was approaching in hostile manner, as they couldn't be able to saw Gulliver because he was up to chest in water. But with every step of Gulliver, water became shallower, and at last they saw Gulliver and became happy. As Gulliver reached the shore, he hailed the king. The king of Lilliput wants the remaining ships into his port. He wanted to make the Blefuscu into a province and its people his slave. But Gulliver protested, and all ministers were at Gulliver's side at this matter. Few of ministers who were jealous with Gulliver took the side of the king, and from that time a conspiracy against Gulliver was being planned by king and his supporters. After 3 weeks of this incident, few people from Blefuscu, with humble offers of peace, came there in a magnificent way. They praised a lot to Gulliver and wanted him to come to their province to show Gulliver and his strength to their king. So this is the summary of the chapter, 7th chapter. Gulliver captures enemy's ship. If now just listen the video and grasp the summary of the chapter.